Hi, I'm Vijay. Welcome to my channel. You might have heard that people will have some kind of portfolio for equity investment. Portfolio, a group of stocks which will be used to buy for long term or short term, whatever it is. They used to call it as portfolio. But here, I do differ. What I mean to say that I have always a portfolio for trading. I have a portfolio for passive trading. I have a portfolio for speculative trading. I have a portfolio for operative kind of trading in futures and options. Even in option also, I used to have a set of stocks meant for speculative trading. And today, being expiry day, in this expiry day, I made a super jackpot in one particular stock, which is from my portfolio, a set of stocks. That particular stock is Adani Enterprises Limited. Adani Enterprises Limited. See, this Adani group may be in limelight for some times, some days, some weeks, and rest of the time it will have been limelight. It will be kept silent. Both the stocks like Adani Ports and Adani Enterprises, and equity, the Adani Transmission is another stock. I used to track this particular stock, Adani Transmission. And coming to this main subject, today being the expiry day, I made a jackpot for my subscribers who subscribe for my online trading tips magazine, Bull Street Casino. I give the link for subscription for this Bull Street Casino, Bull Street online trading tips magazine, Bull Street Casino, in the description. If you have any doubts or queries, you can put your queries in the comment box, or you can send text message to my WhatsApp number. Do not call my WhatsApp number, it will be always kept silent. So please leave a text message to my WhatsApp number. This Adani Enterprises, which has the lot size of 4,000, and today I made a jackpot. See, my buy price in Adani Enterprises is just 50 paise, 50 paise, just 50 paise. So this 50 paise, the premium went to a level of 9 rupees 50 paise. So forget about the 9.5 paise, 9.50. Let us take my buy price is just 50 paise, and the target reached to 9 rupees today. Lot size is 4,000. If a subscriber or if a trader like you and me made a trade with single lot, only one lot, the investment amount will be around 2,000 rupees. Lot size is 4,000 and premium is just 50 paise. The investment amount is just 2,000 rupees. This 2,000 rupees all of a sudden grown into 36,000 rupees on the same day, the same expiry day. If a subscriber traded with the 10 lots, you imagine the volume of money, the growth of money, it will be around 3.6 lakhs. And if a syndicate, if a team of 10 traders who trades 10 lots each, that volume of growth, the volume of money, the volume of profit will be around 36 lakhs rupees on a single day. So this is the jackpot, this is the miracle, this is the magic of expiry day trading. See, trading in option is different from all other segments like equity and futures that everybody will know. And trading on expiry day is also very different. Trading on expiry day involves high risk, Himalayan high risk, but the reward is very high, and moreover the investment amount is very little, negligible, throwaway money. If you put a throwaway money in option trading on expiry day, you can make miracle, you can mint money. But there are certain set of trading tricks are required to do expiry day trading, which I used to follow. Which these trading tricks are directly invented by me out of my 40 years experience in stock market trading. So what I am doing, I used to teach these expiry day trading tricks by correspondence course. I used to send the lessons either in English or Hindi or in regional language through email. There are 4 tricks in the curriculum. There are 4 tricks required for the expiry day trading. These 4 tricks will be used every month. You need not learn further. You need not learn any other course further. be passive and pick up particular stock and adopt any one of the trading tricks. From these 4 tricks, you can make wonders, you can make money, you can mint money, whatever it is. And also, I used to give trading tips in my online trading tips magazine, Bull Street Casino. This Bull Street Casino is specially meant for HNI trader or volume trader. Volume trader, I mean to say that those who are trading more than 10 lots, 20 lots, like that. These trading tips will be published in the Bull Street Casino magazine during market hours, during live market time. So subscribers can log in and get they read the trading tips, and they can trade according to their working capital. See, this is about this. Adani Enterprises gave me a super jackpot today. So I am happy. If you join with me, you will be happy. If you follow, you will be happy. So please follow me. Please follow my Facebook status, Instagram status, and please do subscribe to this channel and click the bell button to get the immediate updates. And if you like this video, please like this like signal. So please don't forget, please subscribe to this channel. We will grow together. Thank you very much. I'm Vijay.